My name is Jamie, welcome to Anchor Cars on this very sunny day down here at Pabworth in Reading. I've got a 2018 Vauxhall Astra SRI Turbo to walk you around today. It's just done under 36,000 miles in its lovely frozen white colour with 18-inch alloys, and I think the Vauxhall always do a great job on their alloys. They look really unique, really special. I like the branding on the back. You've got turbo mention, the rear sensors, and as we go into the boot here, we've got your inflation kits. Obviously that's the sensors going off if you can hear that. We've got heated windscreen in the back, privacy tint on the doors, Bridgestones on the wheels, which looks fantastic, and it's always good to have good quality tyres on your vehicle. You have xenon lights here, as well as daytime running lights, LEDs, camera in the windscreen for your adaptive cruise feature. Getting into the interior of the driver's side, auto lights, auto wipers, and taking you through the trip computer right here, your basic information for your journey, as well as certain information on how the vehicle is performing and the health of it. All of your infotainment is controlled by this touchscreen here, audio, phone controls, and your projection app, which means you can cast certain information to your screen. Home button takes you right to where we are. You've got your time and your date and your temperature. All of your interior cabin controls for your heating, aircon, front and rear ability to heat up your screens. You've got your sport mode, you've got your lane assist, traction control, and sensors. A little pouch there to store certain things like your phone, maybe wallet, 6-speed manual gear stick, and your USB for connectivity to your infotainment. You've got your central overhead safety controls here, vanity mirror that lights up automatically, same on the passenger side, and your nice leather steering wheel for that premium touch whilst driving the vehicle. Like I said, adaptive cruise and all your infotainment controls on the steering wheel there. Going to take you through to the back. 3 seats, obviously 3 belts with 2 ISOFIXes. The sun has kind of gone in here, so I'm going to get the outro in done nice and quickly. If you do want any more information on this vehicle or any other vehicles on our website, use the information on our screen here. And if that doesn't quite do it for you, we have plenty of other vehicles on our site. Thank you very much.